Everyone, and welcome to Blockchain Morning Coffee. I'm Roman from All About Crypto, and today we have quite a lot of news. Mostly they are connected, of course, to KuCoin. I will get to that in a second. But first, let me remind you, DeFi, 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 DeFi. If you haven't registered yet, we have now also an English page where you will get some additional information also in English. Also, the seminar will take place in English on 10th of October. If you speak Slovenian, then it's 3rd of October, so upcoming Saturday. If you're interested in decentralized finances, take your Saturday off and get all the information about this very interesting topic at the moment. Of course, if you want to get to know all the details, how it works, why it is interesting now, and which projects, of course, are interesting and which are not. Take your time on Saturday 10th of October for the English version and 3rd of October in Slovenian version. But now let's move first to KuCoin. Yeah, unfortunately KuCoin had an incident on 26th, so this is on Saturday. They had detected large withdrawals from their hot wallet. They announced that their cold wallet is untouched, but they have quite a lot of funds taken from their hot wallets, and they did a lot of security measures up from that time on. Of course, they had a lot of them ready also before, but this didn't prevent from hackers taking their private keys from their hot wallet. Also, because of that incident and because of request of some people in the community, I'm planning to do also another seminar called crypto. Crypto Practic. Yeah, this will be an hands-on seminar where you will get to know all the details, how to do some stuff, how to do it securely, so you are not affected by some similar situations. But anyway, let's move. What was done there, what actions were taken, and also how many funds were stolen. We don't have the complete report yet, but let's say that some community players also already did some measures on that. Let's start with Tether, who securely has frozen 22 million USDTs, so Tethers. Velo Labs announced that they will redeploy and replace each of the Velo token that were transferred to the suspicious addresses. Velo tokens affected will be invalidated. So the total sum affected is worth $75.7 million. Only in Velo. There's a VIDT Datalink has announced that they will freeze the VIT tokens that were transferred to suspicious addresses worth $7.2 million. Silent Notary has announced that they will reissue the new SNTR and replace all affected tokens worth $90,000. Orion Protocol has announced that they have reissued Orion via token swap worth of $9.5 million. Conversing has announced that they have frozen the COV tokens that were transferred to suspicious addresses worth $600,000. They have also completed the token swap for Orion the token swap was done completely but $9.5 million were saved with this token swap for because of the incident. Also the Cardia chain was swapped, and $10.2 million were affected by this incident, so it is saved with that. And Noia network worth $5 million was also affected here, and these three tokens were already swapped. Opacity with ticker OPQ has also announced that they will accelerate their already planned token swap. Some of the teams has requested temporary suspensions of trading services on KuCoin. So for all those open orders were automatically cancelled, and these are Orion Protocol, of course, because they were swapped, Noia because they were swapped, Add XYZ with the ticker PLT, Aleph IM with ticker Aleph, Origin Trail with ticker TRAC, and BET Protocol with ticker BPRO has also requested temporary suspension of trading services. Okay, that's all for this stuff regarding the incident. What are the other news on KuCoin? Our KuCoin margin trade DIA via versus Tether was added. Poloniex will delist VIT staking with the ticker VI, and Crater Genesis token has been distributed on Poloniex. They are starting. No, they have distributed profit rate competition. So 4,000 Tethers worth of rewards has been distributed. Okay, now let's move to tokens. On tokens, they have a Rotarium token listing trading competition. So Rotarium was added to tokens, and now they have a trading competition for that. Top 8 traders with the highest trading volume will win total reward pool of 10,000 RTH tokens, and also exclusive reward pool of 5,000 RTH tokens is there for new users. On BitMEX, they have updated their indices across all products on 25th of September. On Poloniex, they have added Sandbox, so that with ticker Sand, and it is tradable against Tether and Bitcoin. On Bitfinex, they have listed Synthetics Network token with ticker SNX, and it is traded in a pair with American dollar and Tether. On Binance, they have added Swipe versus Indonesian rupiah, and Chainlink against in a pair with South Korean won. Of course, this Indonesian rupiah and South Korean won is traded with their representation of fiat currencies on Binance chains. So it is with the ticker BIDR for Indonesian rupiah and BKRW. So these trading pairs were added. Binance Futures will also launch Helium against Tether margin perpetual contract with up to 50 times leverage. Cross margin trading for Uni was enabled on Binance in trading pair with Bitcoin and Tether. So also the zero interest promotion for borrowing Uniswap token is on up to 4th of October. Binance Futures also adds Ethereum to cross collateral cross collateral, and their Binance Staking launched locked staking support for Zcoin with ticker XZC. Sorry. So it's a 30-day locked staking product, and Binance will begin the token swap for Enigma, which is a ERC token, to it will be swapped for Secret Network, so with the ticker SCRT. This is a mainnet token. They have added Binance Convert function, which will support OKEx network, Perlin, Augur, and Elrond token swaps from older token versions. Flamingo token farming started with the new Binance launch pool format, and they have new trading competitions for DOC and Bake. For DOC there's $50,000 to be won, and for Bake it is $80,000 to be won. So for DOC it is on till 2nd of October, and for Bake it is on till 5th of October. That's all from Binance for today. On OKEx, they have some let's say general news. So it's like a research around what's happening on the market. So they have stated that first ever crypto exchange exchange traded funds is to be listed in Bermuda. Sorry, first ever crypto exchange traded fund will be listed on Bermuda. So it is an ETF. So long time waited first ETF is to be launched in the form of Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index ETF, and it will be on Bermuda Stock Exchange by Brazilian-based fund manager Hashd. So 3 million shares have been made available with a private placement and are priced at $1,000 each. Second news is that US banks may hold reserve for stablecoins. So this is if the United States have been up to now quite, let's say, distancing and quite tight in that form, we see now that they are moving toward blockchain projects, toward cryptocurrencies, and if their banks can hold a reserve for stablecoins, that's another positive news, let's say. European Commission proposes regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. It's only a proposal for now, but that's a step forward, I would say. Ethereum scaling solution named Optimism is released on testnet. Stablecoin market hits a new milestone, surpasses $20 billion. So it's a new milestone. A lot of funds is now put into stablecoins. And high gas fees hinder Ethereum capacity to support additional DeFi growth. We know that gas fee for Ethereum transactions has again raised its let's say all-time highs. Okay, that's all for general news. It was reported by OKEx, and for the end, Crypto.com, they are launching a supercharger, which is a liquidity mining platform for the most popular DeFi projects. They have added REN on their DeFi swap, and Serial, their token DeFi Yield Boost, now offers 1 month staking term. That's all for today. If you haven't registered yet to all about DeFi, decentralized finance in the palm of your hand, go to the link below and register, of course, for 10th of October for English version and 3rd of October for Slovenian version. So that's all for today, and see you again tomorrow. Thank you and bye.